Y'all, so I achieved this look with my little helper here, so keep watching to see how I did it. Hello, welcome to Living Up Akunle. Again, my name is Faith. Today I will be presenting to you another makeup tutorial. Go ahead and start with my eyebrows. Then, like I usually do, I will make my eyeshadow, get my eyes done before I move on to the rest of my entire face. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that little bell so that you can get notified as soon as I post a new video about myself, my little baby girl Fisayo, or my wonderful family in general with my husband. Follow me. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you for coming back to watch my channel. And I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to also share with your friends and just get me more subscribers and views. Thank you. Enjoy. Eyebrows. Like this. Always gonna brush the eyebrows. I'm going to use my Laura Mercier. Just a loose powder. I always use it to just put over my eyebrows just to dry up any excess moist like oils and such. A moisturizer that I've applied on my face, it really helps a lot and it makes it easier to draw my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna use a pencil, so it's just any 99-cent pencil I usually get from the beauty supply store. And then I clean it up with my concealer. And I usually use my LA Girl Pro concealer for the bottom part, to clean the bottom part. And for my top part, I use my foundation because it then looks more blended to my face, if that makes sense. Okay, this is the final eyebrow look. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just clean it up and do my eyelids, my eyeshadow. First, I have this little setting prime. It's literally $2 from the beauty store. It's the Clean Color Pro Prep and Prime. I just spray it all over my face. Then I apply my Milk Hydro all over my face as well. Gonna put more of my concealer on my eyelid. Then I go back with my Laura Mercier powder and just set it. So setting it makes it a little bit more smoother to apply your eyeshadows. Makes it smooth. I'm going to be using this Nubian by Juvia palette, as well as the Juvia Sahara blush palette to make my eyeshadow look today. If you want to see a detailed video on how I created this eyeshadow look, go ahead and let me know in the comment section. Fisayo is going to be joining us. She woke up from her nap. I'm going to go ahead and put on my eyeliner. Do my eyeliner, put my lashes on, and then I'm going to move on to the rest of my face. Guys, I really have a cool way of applying my lashes. So I think one day I'm going to make a how to apply your lashes. It's a very neat and easy way for me. Like, it doesn't stress me out at all. Done with our eyes, now we're gonna move on to the rest of our face. I'm going to use my Fisayo mattifier just to put in the areas that I tend to sweat the most. To get my perfect foundation color for my skin tone, I usually mix my Huda Beauty in Mocha as well with my Clinique in color 25 Spice. I usually do 2 pumps of the Huda Beauty and just a little squirt of my Clinique. Then back with my color Fawn Everyday Pro Concealer. I blend it in. It is well blended in. I'm gonna be baking with my Sacha Buttercup. Hello guys, sorry to interrupt, but if you like what you see so far, you should consider subscribing to my channel. It is free and it is so much fun. Feel free to thumbs up, share and comment. Be interactive. Join the family and you won't miss out of any of our videos. Thank you. Say hi, baby girl. Hi. Say hi. She's saying hi. When applying the setting powder, if you notice, it looks like I am pressing into my skin, which is how I think it helps with the baking process. I press it down into my skin. All right, we are done baking. Now, I don't usually use a liquid concealer, liquid contour. on my face, I usually just use a powder contour while I'm brushing my face and dusting it off completely. So I'll be using my powder contour. Mama. Say mama. Say mama. I know. So this is how I try to contour my nose, just using my powder contour palette that I use for my cheekbone. I just put a little bit on my nose just to make it look a little pointy. So I use a highlighting powder that is with this my contour palette just underneath my eyes, and to me that gives it it makes that area pop out more, so you can see it a little bit more defined from my little cheekbone. Now, using my Laura Mercier powder, I'm just going to use my little blending powder brush and just brush up my whole face with it, and just to clean up any harsh marks and such. And also dust off excess powder. She's not hungry, she just woke up, so she's just yawning to yawn at this point. Now I'm going to apply my blush. See the little contour line? Contour line? Yes. I'm gonna be applying my blush. You give your big old smile to get a perfect blush line. Serving your cheekbones. I usually spray some little setting spray on my brush to better apply my highlighter. Show off everything. And yes, after this, we're gonna go wash our hands. So I use my powder brush to just dust off some excess powder that could be on my face, and then I go back with my little blush brush and just apply some more blush to my face. And I tend to do that if I think I have over shimmered my cheekbone. So just to make it more subtle, I go back and reapply some blush. Here we go. Now we're gonna put our setting spray. I use the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray just to set my face. Bow, bow, bow. What it do, baby? Hello, mommy. Y'all see that face? This girl is on fire. It's definitely gonna be like me, loving the camera, girl. Love it. If you guys enjoy this makeup video, please identify in the comment section and let me know so I can make more. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and subscribe if you're not a subscriber already, and share. Thanks.